Imagine waking up tomorrow with $100 in your pocket every single day, without a boss, without a 9-to-5 grind, and without touching your savings. Sounds like a scam, right? Wrong. I was dead broke, $50K in debt, eating ramen in a one-room apartment until I stumbled on a hidden system that flips your skills into daily cash. But here's the twist. It's not crypto, dropshipping, or TikTok dances. Stick around, because in the next 45 minutes, I'll reveal exactly how you can start earning $100 daily, step by step. Miss this and you'll regret it. Let's dive in. Let's be real. You're scrolling this video probably because bills are stacking up, your paycheck barely covers rent, and those get-rich-quick gurus are laughing all the way to the bank while you're still broke. I get it. 2 years ago, I was there. 28 years old, laid off from my tech job in the pandemic crash, staring at a bank account with $47. My side hustles? Uber Eats for $20 a night after gas, and failed Etsy shops that cost me more than they made. But then I cracked it. Not luck, not inheritance, a proven system using 3 simple pillars anyone can copy. By the end of this video, you'll have the exact blueprint. Smash that like button if you're ready to change your life, subscribe for more, and comment 100 below if you're committing to this today. Okay, deep breath. Let's expose the myths first, because that's where most people fail. Before we get to the gold, let's bury the trash. Myth number 1. Trade crypto or stocks for quick $100. Nope. I lost $2K chasing Dogecoin pumps. Volatility eats newbies alive. 95% of day traders lose money per SEC data. Myth number 2. Paid surveys or apps like Swagbucks. Cute for coffee money, but max $10 to $20 a day after hours of clicking. Not scalable. Myth number 3. Dropshipping or Amazon FBA. Upfront costs, 1K plus inventory, ads. Shopify stats show 90% fail in year 1. Myth number 4, freelance writing on Upwork, easy money. Competition from bots and lowballers means $5 an hour bids. The twist? These hacks are distractions. The real path, leveraging what you already have, skills, time, and the internet for passive-ish income streams that compound daily. What if I told you $100 a day is just $36,500 a year, achievable with 2 to 4 hours work? Intrigued? Good. Here's Pillar 1. Pillar 1 is about turning everyday skills into $20 to $50 gigs multiple times a day. No degree needed. Platforms pay you per task. Think Fiverr, TaskRabbit, or specialized ones like Just Answer. Step 1. Inventory your skills. Grab a pen, list 5 things you're good at. Excel spreadsheets, graphic tweaks in Canva, quick voiceovers, answering tech questions, even organizing closets counts. I started with basic video editing, 0 experience, just YouTube tutorials. Step 2, gigify it on platforms. Fiverr, create a gig like fix your Excel formulas in 30 minutes, $25. I did short TikTok edits at $15 a pop. Pro tip, use AI tools like ChatGPT for 80% of the work. Deliver in 10 minutes. Twist, most sellers overcharge time, undercut with speed. My first week, 4 gigs equals $80. TaskRabbit, local tasks. Assemble IKEA furniture, $30 an hour. Run errands, $25 an hour. In cities like NYC or LA, stack 3 to 4 daily for $100 easy. Just Answer/Presto Experts. Answer questions as an expert. My niche? Basic car advice. I read manuals. $20 to $50 per answer, 10 minutes each. Real earnings breakdown? Week 1 goal? 4 gigs at $25 average equals $100. Scale by reviews. Fiverr algo pushes top-rated sellers. My story twist? I hit $100 a day in 10 days, but crashed when gigs dried up. Solution? Niche down. Switch to AI prompt engineering for businesses. Now $50 a gig, 3 times volume. Action step? Set up 1 gig today. Link in the description. Question for you. What's your top skill? Comment below. Pillar 2, repurpose content into viral cash. Forget creating from scratch. Pillar 2, take free content, remix it smartly, and monetize on platforms craving short-form gold. Goal, $50 a day passive after setup. Step 1, source free gold mines.
public domain clips, Pixabay, Creative Commons YouTube, filter in search, or your phone footage. Niche, finance tips like this video. Step 2, repurpose with free tools. Use CapCut, free app. Trim 1-hour podcasts to 60-second hooks. Add text overlays, AI voiceover. Post to TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. Hook formula, problem, 10 seconds. Twist, 10 seconds. CTA, 10 seconds. Sound familiar? Monetization streams, affiliate links in bio to Amazon or ClickBank products. One viral short on budget laptops earned me $35 commissions day one. YouTube partner, 1K subs and 4K watch hours. Shorts Fund pays $100 per 1 million views. I hit $200 a week repurposing Warren Buffett clips. TikTok Creator Fund, $0.02 to $0.04 per view. 5K views a day equals $100 plus. Pro Twist, the algorithm hack. Post 10 times a day across platforms. Use trends like duet viral finance vids with your spin. My channel exploded, $100 a day from 50,000 monthly views. Earnings math, 3 shorts a day times 10,000 views total equals $30 affiliates plus $20 funds plus $50 tips equals $100. Challenge, make 1 short now on your $100 day hack. Tag me.
Boom. That's pillars 1 and 2 locked in. Micro skills plus viral repurposing equals your $100 daily foundation. But here's the game changer. Pillar 3 is 100% passive. Set it once, profit forever. If you're serious about $100 daily, like if pillars 1 and 2 blew your mind. Subscribe, pillar 3 drops. Comment your #1 takeaway below now. Top 3 comments get shout out plus free $100 checklist in pillar 3. P2 if you made it. P3 now if you're ready. Your money printer starts tomorrow. See you in pillar 3.